welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Merchant Banker License. Merchant Banker. It is a financial institution which primarily engages itself in underwriting and business loans, catering to the needs of large-scale enterprises and high net worth individuals. It can also be called as investment banking. Function of merchant bank. To explain the role in a merchant bank, suppose a multinational corporation XYZ is considering the purchase of a smaller company in another country. Company XYZ will likely solicit the services of a merchant bank for advice on how to best approach the acquisition process. In addition, the merchant bank may also assist in the financing of the acquisition, providing underwriting or loan services. Categories in merchant bank. Category 1. To carry on the activity of issue and management and to act as advisor, consultant, manager, underwriter, portfolio manager, net worth 5 crores. Category 2. To act as consultant, advisor, manager, underwriter, portfolio manager, net worth 50 lakhs. Category 3. To act as underwriter, advisor or consultant to an issue, net worth 20 lakhs. Category 4. To act only as advisor or consultant to an issue, net worth nil. Legislations. SEBI Merchant Bankers Regulations 1992. SEBI Payment of Fees Amendment Regulations 2014. Fees for registration. For registration as a merchant banker, an applicant is required to pay a non-refundable application fee of Rs 50,000 by way of demand draft drawn in favor of SEBI payable at Mumbai. Initial registration 20 lakhs, 5 years validity. Permanent registration 9 lakhs. RBI mandate. As per RBI's Master Circular on para-banking activities, banks are allowed to undertake merchant banking activities through a separate subsidiary which would be required to comply with SEBI regulations issued in this behalf. Banking institutions performing merchant banking activities are also required to follow the requirements laid down in the prudential exposure norms prescribed by RBI as well as statutory limits contained in Section 19(2) and 3 of the Banking Regulations Act 1949. Eligibility. Applicant should be a body corporate other than an NBFC. Applicant should not get engaged in any other activity other than those connected to the securities market. Applicant should have a minimum of 2 employees having prior experience in merchant banking. Applicant has not been found guilty of misconduct or an economic offence. Applicant should have a minimum capital of 5 crores. Applicant must not be related to directly or indirectly to any other entity which is already registered as a merchant banker. Services provided by merchant banks. Project counseling, management of debt and equity offerings, issue management, underwriting of public issue, portfolio management, restructuring strategies, offshore finance, loan syndication, non-resident investment, corporate counseling and advisory services. Schedules. Form A. Application for grant of Certificate of Permanent Registration. Form B. Certificate of Permanent Registration. Form C. Omitted by SEBI Regulations 2009. Fees. Code of Conduct for Merchant Bankers. Format for half-yearly report to be submitted by merchant bankers. Click to add www.pnj Hub in VR aggregator platform where you can list yourself as professional and get leads. You can list for chat with customers and also list empty office space. www.licencehub.in. We are providing more than 150 license and approval services on one platform. Contact Paras Mittal, mobile number 9971002715. Thank you.